Good day. We're going to talk about replacing a signal light, and I already know that it's the rear passenger side signal light. However, let's just go through something really quick. So if you're turning left, you can see that's a normal speed for it. So the indication that there's something wrong is it blinks really fast. So that's the first main indication. Now if you totally miss that and you don't get it, you might also experience other people presenting some road rage towards you. So if you're wondering why everyone's getting mad at you, that could be why. So anyways, the only way to know which one it is, you have to get out of your car and go and look, right? So it's blinking really fast on the passenger side, so let's go check it out.
Warning. You have entered a high definition.
Okay, so the front one is working, but I mean it's going fast because one's burnt out. And so the top here, that's your signal light, nothing's happening. So, get back over here. So I'm going to show you how to do that and give you some pointers. I'll tell you which bulbs you need, some alternative bulbs that could be used, and just how easy it really is. I do have a video for the front light. That's a whole different video because a different process. Same bulbs in a sense, but I'll tell you all about it. Let's go. Okay, first things first, we need to get into the trunk. So you can open the trunk, of course, with your keys. And a lot of people don't realize there's a button right here you can press, which opens the trunk. Okay, you can stop that. So this is a Torx bit, it's called, and it should be a T10, I believe. There's only 3 spots. It's a very simple setup here. And once those are out, all you do is just grab your light and it just slides straight back. It's not clipped in or anything. Bring it around like this. And this is your signal light at the top. And if you're wondering what the bulbs are at this point, it's actually written right on these things. It's a 3057 for the signal light, a 3057 for the brake light, and a 9, or is that an 8? Nope, the 921. It's just like a little marker light. So we want to get to this light here to take them out. You just turn this and pull it out. So once you have it out, these just plug straight in. So all you do is just grab hold of it, pull it straight out, comes apart. Get your new bulb, and away you go. And a point on these bulbs, which I forgot to mention. Now, 3057s, you can also use 3157s, and you can also use 4157s. The difference between, say, a 3057 up to the 4157 is the 4157s are more of like an industrial heavy-duty bulb. The filament's thicker on them. They can handle more vibration. You might want to go that route, but they will work. So if you can't find the 3057s, 3157 or 4157. Yes. Okay, so we have our new bulb. Pop that in and just get it lined up. Tighten it. And then we just have to put this back together. And the only little part that I'll make mention that might cause you some trouble, I'm just trying to show an example of if it's not correct. Let me try again here. Sometimes, if you look here, see how it's sort of sticking out? So if it's like that, you can attach it, but it's not on properly. So when you put this on, sort of angle it a tiny bit in. Let me try again. So you sort of angle it and put it into place, and you can see it's more or less flush. It's not sticking out. Okay, so that's in place. And then if you come over here, it should be all lined up nice. So just take your screws that you took out, get those started. A little bit of pressure in, make sure it's nice and snug. And you don't want to over tighten these. If feel it gets tight, and then just give it a little extra. Come down here, I'll tighten this one up. So yeah, don't go crazy with the tightening. It's just all plastic and things like that. So and like that's basically all there is to it. So let's just go test it out. All right, looks like it's working fine. It's blinking at the correct speed, so we're all set. And again, in the description, I'm going to put a link to the front light replacement. Now the front lights are the same, like the signal light. It's the same 3057, or it could be the 31 or the 4157. The only difference is with the signal light, it will have a marking on it. It would be, say, like a 3057A or 3057NA. The A stands for amber, and the NA stands for natural amber. It's just a production, how they make it in the factory. One is supposed to be natural amber glass, the other one is a painted amber. So anyways, away we go. So check out the other video if you need the front ones done. So have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Stop recording?
Yep.